afternoon, doctor. Welcome to our session.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Yeah, I'm really happy to have this short briefing and to share some ideas as for the conference itself, as for my research during pandemic and the conferences in general.
So we as an organization really appreciate the relationship that we have maintained since years. You have been our keynote speaker for so many years, and we really appreciate that because you are amazing as a keynote speaker and a session chair, and we really feel glad when you come to our conferences. And we are conducting this session because the pandemic has been difficult on everybody. As an organizer also and as researchers also, it's been difficult time all around the globe. So, we just want that people like you, some great researchers like you, I think if we'll talk to you, we'll get in touch with you. You can motivate other researchers who don't give up on their researches, their work, anything that they're doing, and don't get depressed of this current situation that is going on. Yeah. So I'll just request you to please introduce yourself and the topic that you had presented in our conference.
Okay, so my name is Liudmyla. I am from Ukraine. I was born in Kharkiv city, and I and my family currently living in Kharkiv city, Ukraine. I'm a full professor of Information System Department of the National University of Economics, named after Salient, where we train pre-service IT specialists for different branches of national economy. I have a PhD and second doctoral degree in pedagogical science and master degree in applied mathematics. So that is the area of my research is quite wide, and I work in different branches from applied mathematics to IT in education and training. IT specialist is also my maybe focus of my research, and modeling the curriculum, university curriculum for IT specialists is nowadays a really urgent topic for me and for country in general.
Thank you so much. And was it difficult for you to attend online conferences, or you were okay with it? What do you enjoy more, online or offline?
So I definitely enjoy more physical presence, and the conferences which I attended before pandemic, they were amazing. It was great experience of sharing ideas, of being involved into discussion and a live discussion, and there were some business games with discussion of various problems, and I could feel the atmosphere of global community. But on the other hand, I'm really happy that you were really, great in organizing this platform for us during pandemic, being able to go on this activity, go on sharing experience, sharing ideas in online format. Definitely, I prefer rather more physical, offline format. But if we can't, we are limited with it. It's better go on working and know that it's important for them. I think it's a kind of our mission to go on working and go on our research activity and exchanging ideas. Okay, I'm really thank you for your organization of these conferences and giving opportunity for researchers from all over the world to get together and feel together, feel this spirit.
Thank you so much for your kind words. I think this is the thing that that motivates us to keep going on during these times also.
Exactly. We can't postpone our life. We can't postpone. Yeah.
Yes. And doctor, what was your motivation to carry on with your researches during this time?
Actually, my motivation is permanent one. Yeah, I consider myself to be a scientist, and I think that any true scientist can't stop thinking, can't stop generating ideas, especially when you have your own goal and you understand that your research and the results of your research are useful for other people, and they can help other people to solve the problems of education, of industry, or something like this one. It doesn't matter, is it pandemic or even war. Let's say it's not really, it's awful, but sometimes we have to survive, we have to experience such negative experience. But true scientists stop thinking. they can't give up doing something and going ahead.
Yeah. And what would you like to give a message to all the researchers who are like, they're willing to come for a conference but they're not really sure about it, the online platform thing? What would be your message to them?
My message is pretty simple. Just do it. Just do it. It's important. It's really important not only to do your research, but also to share the results, to share ideas, to be able to ask questions and answer them, and to feel yourself a part of the global community of co-thinkers, of researchers. I think it's the most important thing for us nowadays.
And any words for Eurasia Research?
My ancient research, which I presented in June.
Okay. And in the end, we would like to ask if you have any suggestions or feedbacks for Eurasia Research as an organization.
For suggestions, I would suggest first of all going on conferences, and I think now our world is in unstable situation as for pandemic in different regions of the globe, and step by step I would recommend to return rather to physical format of conferences, but maybe it would be a good idea to start from blended format, when some people who can arrive and take part physically, they are really welcome and appreciated, but those who can't, they can be able to take part in online conferences at the same time. And for starting after pandemic, I think it would be perfect format to do it in mixed way, blended.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so much for joining with us. Any closing words for the conferences and the organization that you would like to say?
So only many thanks. Many thanks to organizers who give us this opportunity, and many thanks to participants and to participants from different countries. And I'm happy to be a part of this community, to feel this spirit of common research, common activity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so much for joining with us. We are sure that your words will help the researchers around and will motivate them to join with us and for online and offline conferences. Thank you so much, and have a really nice day ahead.